Hi, I'm Jim Walker. Welcome to 2022. We're making new videos for the flooring industry. We know with your hand skills and my knowledge, you can make more money. I believe in you.
Now, find the top corner of the front edge of the tread and cut straight out from this point. Measure the carpet out from the edge of the stair or wall the distance that the tack strip was held back. In this case, approximately 1.5 inches. Cut at a 45-degree angle up away from the stair. Reach around the riser and hold the carpet back. Pull it tight. Make it flat on the front. Slide the knife under the thickness of the tread and make a small reference cut. Start at the top corner of the tread and cut to the reference point. This will leave a 45-degree angle across the bullnose. Check to see if the carpet will fold under without overlapping on top of the tack strip. If the carpet pile is thick or heavy, you may want to glue the folded portions of the backings together. This creates a smoother appearance on the riser. Now, in order to hold the carpet to the riser, apply thermoplastic to the front of the riser and press the carpet into the thermoplastic. Apply pressure until the thermoplastic cools. Now, fold the tread section of carpet over the bullnose to check that the carpet is flush to the stringer. Trim if necessary. Fold the carpet back down and make a reference cut where the carpet meets the riser. Cut an angle from that notch back to the first cut that was made to separate the tread from the riser.
Thanks for watching and enjoy a profitable 2022. And check back soon.